Hey guys, this is Cody with Linguist Game Calls, and today I'm going to be bringing you a sound file video on one of the howlers that I make. This is going to be the Yote Punchin howler. It's currently my favorite howler in the lineup, so I figured I'd do this one first. So this is going to be me giving my best shot at showing you the complete range of the call as best I can do. I'm not a world champ or anything, so it's not going to be limited to what I can do in this video, but it's going to give you a good idea of the range of this call as far as the high pitch howls, low pitch howls, barks, coyote distress, pup distress, female whimpers, pretty much the whole range of coyote vocalizations that you can use while out in hunting situations. So I'm going to be going back and forth between using my hands, which is what I mostly use, and this thing here. It's not something I sell or anything. It's just a PVC coupler and a reducer and a piece of paracord, and I take it out and stands with me. What that's going to do is allow me to amplify my sound, get it out there. It also allows me to have a little bit better pitch changes and give me a little bit different sounding coyotes, just like switching sounds on an e-collar. So it's kind of important to have. Yeah, with that being said, I'm going to start making some noise. These are going to be the female whimpers. It's going to be similar to the coyote distress, but you'll be able to tell the difference. It's a little bit different, so. So yeah, that's the Yote Punchin howler. Full range coyote vocalizations, all the different howls, barks, coyote distresses, female whimpers. It is the end of January right now, going into February, so it's a good time to take advantage of the female whimpers. It's breeding season, so aggressive coyotes and a lot of that coyote rut action going on. So yeah, if you're interested, the Yote Punchin howler, along with all the other calls that I make, are on the website at linguistgamecalls.com. Right now there is a 3-call pack on there. It's called the Yote Punchin pack. So you'll get one of the Yote Punchin howlers, final stand howler, and a rabbit distress call as well as this metal carrying case. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it and hope you enjoyed this sound file.